is a non-repainting indicator, and I'm saying this because I'm basing this on live market over here. You will see there is a highlight over here. This price is actually coming up to this line over here, and the line is actually there. It is not repainting, or rather not disappearing. It is actually plotted right on real time, so it's a very great indicator. Okay, so guys, in this video I just want us to look at this indicator. It seems to work really well. Trading forex, trading crypto, trading stocks, because it shows us the most crucial levels that we should look at the market from. For real, we need an indicator that is working real time, an indicator that is not repainting, and an indicator that is actually reliable. So it is called absorbing system. So this indicator highlights this level for you. They become your point of interest. I'm just giving a highlight before we actually know it more, and it actually highlights it until it is broken below, or rather above. If it is not broken below, it will actually remain like these levels over here. I love basing everything on live market because it's just going to find all the answers we really need. And even if guys you look at other time frames, like let's say 15 minutes time frame, you will see the market is actually reacting to how the 5 minutes time frame is actually behaving. Okay, so I really love it. It will help you know your point of interest, where you're supposed to watch the market from. And for real, you can see the market is actually reacting to 5 minutes time frame highlight, which we saw. Okay, I just want to base everything on live market so that we can see how this indicator is actually behaving. We are at the line right here, and you can see the line is still there. Okay, so guys, this indicator is very effective because number one, it can show you a breakout. Number two, as well, you'll be able to identify support and resistance level. That's why it is actually called absorbing system, that shows you support and resistance level. Okay, so guys, without further ado, let me show you how you can add the indicator. And so to add it, you just go into type absorbing system support and resistance. Okay, created by only Fibonacci, a very brand new indicator. So guys, let's click on it. Once you click on it, it will appear like this right on your chart, and we are using the default settings. So guys, you can see right on live market, the candlestick is actually below the line over here. Very effective indicator. And so for this market to rise, it will actually have to break now this level over here. You can choose to extend the line if you want to, but it is a very sensitive level. You're just going to see how it will actually react, showing you number one, a breakout. Number two, it will show you support and resistance level, and resistance level, they are in red color, and the support level, they are in green color. And so guys, if you're careful, this support and resistance level, they can show you the trend of the market. Okay, because you all know this, and I would love to demonstrate this. Let's say this is your support level, this is your resistance level, support level, resistance level. So on downtrend, resistance tends to be respected. They will not be broken above, and so support levels tends to be broken below. So if these two tends to be broken, this line over here and this line over here, that will be a downtrend. The same happens when you want to know a push to the upside. Okay, assume this is your support level, this is a resistance level, your resistance level and support level. So on uptrend, support tends to be respected, resistance tends to be broken, and basically this is what is happening over here. Okay, so guys, this is actually a very great indicator with very vital information, and you can see for real, it is actually not repainting, working on real time, basing everything on live market. You're not going to backtest anything, you're just going to base on what is actually happening on live market. Okay, so guys, sometimes you can see that this indicator hasn't drawn your resistance level, like in this case is over here. This indicator shows you the pivot points. That's what you're supposed to know. And so those pivot points, the creator emphasizes that we can use it as our support and resistance level. And so guys, it is so easy for you to execute trades using this indicator, because you can actually spot any level that you are at. Okay, if it's a breakout, you really know strategy that shows that's a valid breakout. So if you're careful, this being our support level is a very strong level over here. And so for it to be valid, candlestick should not close above, let's say, the first candlestick, the second and the third closing above this level will signify that this breakout was invalid, okay? But when the first candlestick, the second happen to close below, and the third, that will really show us that is actually a push to the downside. If we will have a retest, price should not at all close above this level, okay? It should at all costs being rejected, closing below the level for it to be valid. The only thing you really have to do is reminding yourself about the strategies, and definitely this momentum candlestick pattern, it hasn't closed yet, but it is at our lower line over here. So if you want to look for your selling opportunity, watch carefully when price breaks this level over here. If it happens to break, that will be a push to the downside. Expect a retest at the level. Once you see much rejection, you can consider taking your sell order, okay? That's how we do use indicators to execute trades when you find a very reliable indicator. Reliable indicator, by the way, they can actually help you maximize your profits, okay? So guys, I can see this is working well on 5 minutes time frame, but I cannot say they're not working well on other time frame. We are focused on 5 minutes time frame because it is where we have live highlightation, okay? Because on 15 minutes time frame we didn't have. That's why it is important for you to do the top down analysis, and I'm telling you, price has already broken below what? The second line. Okay, you can see over here. So now you'll be watching the lower line and see what is actually going to happen. You can imagine if you took your sell order right here, you could have made like your 10 pips over there. A very great indicator. I really love it. Let's go on 30 minutes time frame and see whether we have a highlightation. We don't have. We saw this as well on 15 minutes time frame. We don't have a highlight. Let's look this on 1 hour time frame. You can use this to any time frame you want to. They are your important level where you should watch the market from. So don't underestimate any highlightation. It shows you the strongest level. So guys, I hope you're learning something, basing everything on live market over here. It's a very great indicator. It is not repainting, showing us exactly what we need to see right on live market. The market can really trend because we actually look at past events, and you will see there is a probability of this market dropping, targeting this level number 1, targeting this level number 2, and now this level over here. It's actually levels that we do underestimate because it's rare for us to actually consider weeks when executing trades. Okay, this is actually considering weeks, and you can see this will basically proceed to the downside. Okay, so guys, a very great indicator. I said I will share with you. You can consider it whenever you want to take your trades. You can consider it trading forex, crypto, and any time frame you find the highlight, you can consider it because they are the levels where you just going to watch the market from. Very important level. So guys, let me hope you have learned something from this video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Like this video as well. Don't forget to subscribe. We are road to 10k subscribers. Kindly let yours count, and the only way is subscribing to this channel. Okay, so guys, bye bye, see you in my next video. That's all I had for today. You can see there is hope that it will proceed to the downside. Bye guys, see you in my next video.